Hello everyone. Atna Pratikulani Paresham na Samacharet. Writing this as definition of ethics would have definitely fetched you good marks in 2025 or in 2024 or 26. But I guess this is cliche now. Why so? Because I have taught over 10,000 students this very definition. What I did way back in 2024 or 25 was to create a differential in ethics by telling you unique keywords, unique thinkers, examples, and whatnot. And here I am for 2027 with my only live ethics batch under Decode Civil's banner for ethics that will start on 6th of July. I am Mudit Jain, ex-IPS, ex-IRS, and author of much loved and appreciated Decode Ethics book, here officially launching the only live ethics batch for 2027 aspirants for Decode Civils. The batch will start on 6th of July and it will be available in both English as well as Hindi. The batch will be live. I'll have live classes, unlike recorded classes that I had for 2026 mains. And then these recordings, these classes will be available as recordings as well, so that you can watch them number of times. Now I told you that Atna Pratikulani Paresham na Samachare, or ethics as per Potter Stewart, means knowing the difference between your rights versus right thing to do. This is old. So what is new? अब क्या करना होगा, अब कैसे मार्क्स मिलेंगे? So my idea was always the same with respect to ethics, that bring something new on the table, that if examiner has checked 99 copies so far today and yours is the 100th copy, and if there is such basic question, you have given something new to the examiner so that the eyeballs catch automatically and you gain edge over others. Thiruvallur, I hope you know, is an evolving theme in UPSC ethics paper. There have been n number of quotes recently on Thiruvallur as well as Socrates and Vivekanand ji. तो अब मेरी ethics की definition क्या होगी? That I have now changed my mind maps and notes and definition. So I will now teach you that as per Thiruvallur, ethics means to have spotless mind that is free from negatives, vices, that is envy, anger, greed, etc. As per Vivekanand ji, ethics means to be up and away from selfishness, to treat world as one being, one family, not worrying about your own individual self. So when you write these sort of definitions, thinkers in your answers, then you will be able to create that X factor in your answers and gain edge over others. This is how I am going to teach you ethics based on the evolving themes, based on the PYQs, based on the predictions that I make by analyzing those evolving themes across the 17 live sessions that we will have for ethics for 2027 batch. The features of the course are the basic pillars of Decode Civils. That is, I'll provide you exam oriented content that you will be able to replicate in the exam hall. I'll prove it to you. Then you will rest assured that you will have timely delivery. I had committed a certain amount of classes for 2026 batch till 17th of June, and on 17th of June I delivered them all. I am running ethics answer writing batch, वो पूरा टाइम पे complete हुआ है for 2026. Similarly, answer writing module right now is ongoing for 2026 batch. Not even a single class has been delayed. एक दो मिनट का डिले भी नहीं है, कैंसिलेशन तो बहुत दूर की बात है. So I stand by my words with respect to timely delivery. What I commit, I deliver that. And then direct questions. Why I say that the content that I provide is the best with respect to ethics is because across the years I have been able to hit direct questions in the exam halls. The references for the same are available in the description section of the video. You can download and check from there. Be it UPSC 2025 mains or 2024 mains, or be it state PCS like GPSC or JK PCS, etc. I have hit direct questions across the years. The references are available in the description. आप वहां से proof notes के evidences screenshot समेत देख सकते हैं. So when you read in the classes and you see direct questions in the exam hall, it is quite obvious that you will be confident, much more confident than others who have not read that content. And that is why I'm sure that I'll be able to create that differential in your preparation, which will help you eventually in the exam hall. This is why the sessions, the ethics sessions, have been preferred by various toppers over the years, as mentioned here. And I am sure you must have already seen this before as well. Now, uh, coming on to the main features of the course. So, we'll have 17 live classes. Not more than that is actually required for ethics. I have been teaching ethics since last 2-3 years, and these 17 classes have proven to be way more than enough for various toppers. I have mentioned the names, ranks of the toppers who were part of my ethics module, and this is not even the complete list, and these lectures were way more than enough for them. We will cover relevant repeated theme PYQs in the classes. I'll give you one example. So I have covered one PYQ related to a case study on confidentiality. And last year in 2025 mains, there was a case study related to the same. I have I have covered one case study related to conflict of interest, and there was case study in 2024 mains. Sneha, a medical personnel in one of the hospitals, her brother has filed for tender. I was able to hit that as well. So when we identify the themes and all, and we are able to identify repeated themes, trust me that when we discuss these questions in the classes, these will benefit you in the exam hall directly. I will give you one assignment in every class. I will discuss two section A questions in every class. So if there are 17 classes, I will discuss 34 section A questions with you. I will give you one assignment in every class, that is almost entire 2025 question paper I will discuss with you, and I will discuss one case study also in every class. So 17 case studies plus 34 section A questions of years, that is 2013 to 2024, and then one entire paper you will write assignment for which I will give you model answers as well. So overall in classes or assignments में ही we are covering various numbers of papers. एक साल में 19 questions आते हैं ethics में, 13 plus 6. So we are covering at least 2-3 years of papers in these classes itself, and then there will be answer writing classes as well. So I am sure you know that answer writing module is integrated in the mains excellence program that we have recently launched, and there will be 8 classes of ethics answer writing in that module, and you will get access of those 8 answer writing classes here with respect to ethics. So that is integrated. Okay. And model answers, I have told that I make my model answers myself. I love to make my content myself depending on my experience, and I will provide you the same. Now, the nature of questions is such that every year, not only in UPSC but State PCS as well. Recently, Haryana Civil Services was conducted on 29th of June and JK PCS was conducted on 28th of June. And I had on my Telegram provided the references for same, जिनका link description section में available है. In those papers as well, not just in UPSC, in state papers as well, the evolving themes are with respect to applied ethics. Question was asked on social media influencers, which I happen to have teach recently in my ethics booster course for 2026 mains. मैंने उसमें पढ़ाया है वो, मैंने उसमें handouts उसके दिए. Similarly, in ethics as well in UPSC, there have been a question on AI, there has been a question on sustainability, social media driven terrorism, etc. etc. So I will cover 50 applied ethics issues this year in this module. So there are 24 new applied ethics issues that I have identified, such as social media influencers, such as deep fakes, such as environment versus security, etc. So those applied ethics issues we are going to cover in this class. More and more topper copies that you see will mention examples related to civil servants and case studies. One drawback or limitation I must accept in my previous year's module was lack of examples with respect to civil servants. I used to focus more on current affair driven examples. Those are present this year as well. And with every class, I'll provide you current affair example as they happen on daily basis. Apart from that, I have included 63 recent examples of civil servants. I won't be even required to prove that they are recent examples because they are as recent as some of my batchmates. तो मेरे बैचमेट्स ने जहां डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स में बढ़िया काम करे हैं, मैंने वो एग्जांपल्स इसमें दिए हैं. दिस विल बेसिकली एड that uniqueness in your answers again, which I talked about while introducing this module to you when I defined ethics in terms of the teachings of Thiruvalluvar rather than my favorite, that is Atna Pratikulani. Okay, so we are going to cover 1+ applied ethics issue in every class to ensure that you are prepared for any sort of question that you encounter in not only UPSC but any other state PCS as well. Now, over the years, I have focused on templates in ethics answer writing. Plus, apart from templates, this year I am going to majorly focus on application based answer writing, as I have also done that for 2026 recorded module. We had recorded module for 2026, we had ethics marks booster case course for 2026, and we had answer writing classes as well. And across my sessions, I have focused not just on templates but on application based answer writing, because the question now in ethics are 3-liner, 4-liner, 5-liner questions. So if you do not understand the demand of the question, if you are not able to break it into various subparts, if you are not able to understand what UPSC or examiner is trying to ask you and you are blindly trying to apply some template, you won't be able to justify. आपको marks नहीं मिलेंगे. So we will learn the skill of identifying the demand of the question, what UPSC is actually asking you in a question, and this skill will help you not only in ethics but across GS and optional as well. Once we start, I am 100% sure in 2-3 classes you will understand this yourself and you will appreciate it. And lastly, because ethics is about wordplay as well, we are here to gain marks, and my ideology, my pillar with respect to this course is that I want you to get 125 plus marks. So marks kaise aayenge? When you have certain value added material, you know various types of diagrams, that is 13 different types of diagrams that I am going to teach, and you have various templates, list of keywords, list of thinkers, etc., so that there is no clutter in your mind and you are able to use those thinkers and value added material in your answers directly. So once you are here, it is my job to not only teach you entire theory, it is my job to not only discuss 2 questions, section A questions, 1 case study in every class. I will teach you templates, I will provide you value added material, I'll teach you how to draw diagrams, I'll teach you application based answer writing and applied ethics as well. So these were the features with respect to the course. I like to keep it short, just like the course itself is short of 17 classes. Trust me, not more than that is required. I hope I have conveyed the main features of the course. Otherwise, if you want to go through detailed features, the link of the course is available in the description section. 10% off is live on not only this course but all other courses of Decode Civils right now. And mind you, ethics is also part of all the 3 variants of mains excellence program that we have launched recently. If there are any doubts, you can ask me the same in the comment section, or you can reach us on the support number that is mentioned in the description section of the video. Thank you.